Hi all. So in this video we'll be learning about how to do right click operation with Playwright. So this is the website we'll be doing, that is internetherokuapp.com/context menu. And if you see here, there is a box, and if I just do a right click on it, it gives a pop-up, right? So we need to handle this. So how we can do that? So let's try it. It's very easy. You just have to first go to the URL. So and just copy the URL from here and paste it, and then you just have to do the right click operation on this box, right? So what we can do, we can just inspect it and just select it, and now we can see here there is a this is the ID, and we can take hotspot. So just to has an hotspot, yeah, it's identifying this particular area where we have to do the right click. So I will write like context area and page dot locator, and this is the locator we have. Now context area dot click. Right, so if we do click, it will just click on it, right? It will not do right click. So to do the right click, what we have to do, you have to just use a parameter called button, and button equals to right. So you have to just write like this, right? So by default click will do the left click, but if you mention like you want to do right, button equals to right, then it will do the right click. Okay, let's now run it. By test minus s test headed, and then we have to do basics and test underscore right click, and then we can give some slow motion as well. Slow motion equals to 3000 second. Okay, I think it's enough. Now we can run it. So sorry, I mentioned 3000 second, right? It's 3 seconds. And let's see whether it's do the right click or not. Yep, it did the right click, right? And if you see, it passed. And even if you might be you might be surprised like how did it handle the alert pop-up, right? So actually what it does, Playwright actually automatically there is a auto capability in Playwright that when we do the click operation, by default it will automatically accept the pop-up. Okay, but if you need to dismiss it or anything else you need to do, there is a way to do that. I already have created one video on that, so if you are interested, you can watch that video. I'll be adding that link in the top right corner. If you click on the eye icon, you will be able to see it. Okay, so this is how you can do the right click operation, and I hope you understood it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.